Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get Life360 on Apple Watch. Getting Life360 on Apple Watch is a bit of a depends on what you were hoping for situation, because the app doesn't actually function on Apple Watch the same way it does on phones. Officially, Life360 is not supported as a full standalone watch app, meaning you won't get the full map, tracking, or driving features directly on the watch itself. Instead, Apple Watch supports is very limited and usually only extends to basic notifications if your phone is connected and nearby. So there's no real installation process like downloading a normal watch app and using it independently for location tracking. Even if you open the App Store on the watch and search for it, typically won't appear as a fully supported install option. The actual Life360 setup still needs to be done on your iPhone, where you sign in, join, or create a circle, and enable location permissions. After that, your Apple Watch may simply mirror alerts like location upgrades or safety notifications, but not the full live tracking experience. So, in short, you can truly get Life360 on Apple Watch as a full app. You're basically just getting notifications while the real tracking runs on your phone. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.